Hi, I'm McIntosh, and I'm the marketing manager for the Business Solution Group here at Connection. And recently, Acer approached me with a 30-day challenge to replace my conventional Windows 10 laptop with the latest Acer Chromebook Enterprise Spin 713 as part of the continuing Connection Test Drive program. I'm familiar with Chromebooks, however, I've never had the opportunity to try one and experience Chrome as an enterprise OS. I was curious to see how well the Enterprise Spin 713 would stand up to other laptops and desktops I've used in the past. One of the more evident and pleasant surprises is the build quality. The military-grade durability gives it a real rugged feel, which is important with the demands of today's mobile workforce. And honestly, I tend to be a little bit more rough on my mobile technology. It's also complete with a touchscreen. This was a real plus for me as I spend half my computing time on laptops and the other half on convertibles. I am a freak for engineering, so when engineers decide to go the extra mile to make sure and understand the plight of us, the users, I'm the first one to recognize and praise the effort. They did a great job. The resolution is amazing at 2256 by 1504 and super bright. And that high res, it just makes everything sharper, brighter, and it reduces eye strain. The keyboard is well spaced, it's backlit, and it has a great click feel to it. The trackpad is rugged and it's easy to use and really responsive. USB-C ports on each side and a micro SD port. However, one port that really stands out and is a luxury not typically found in all laptops is the HDMI port. The 720p webcam is perfect and convenient for Zoom, WebEx, Team, and other virtual meetings. Another interesting feature and cultural change for laptop users is the Google Chrome multi-process architecture, which allows individual tabs to run as separate processes. Honestly, what this means to you is a hung-up web page doesn't result in a browser shutdown or crash. You're going to find that the Chromebooks are adapting more to the demands of local storage. When these were first introduced, they were primarily for online access. Although this is still a large part of the charm, the increased RAM and hard drive space is competing nicely with other conventional laptops. In wrapping up, I will say I was apprehensive to depart from my platform of choice. However, with the advances in the Chromebooks, and especially with this 30-day experience with the Acer Chromebook Enterprise Spin 713, I understand why the popularity in Chromebooks continues to grow in business, education, and personal use. I hope this review has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to any one of your account reps here at Connection.